Lesson 3 is an opportunity for students to investigate the properties of materials a little more closely to discover that many of the objects they identified from Lesson 2 actually feature more than one type of material. For example, a pencil has components made out of wood, metal, rubber, and lead, which is really graphite. Each part of the pencil needs to come from the right kind of material, or else the pencil won't work as intended. Like, what would happen if the eraser were made out of metal instead of rubber? With these kind of questions in mind, redistribute the student scavenger hunt sheets from Lesson 2 so students can remember which objects they identified. In this lesson, students should closely examine each object from Lesson 2 to see if that object is made from only one material or multiple materials. Students use evidence to explain or predict why a particular material is chosen for that specific part of the object. Students could keep working with their partners from Lesson 2 to help foster scientific discussion and peer learning opportunities as they conduct this investigation. After the investigation, students finish Lesson 3 with a cut and paste sorting activity. Create a large class chart on chart paper with the categories labeled cloth, wood, metal, plastic, paper, and other, and ask students to cut out their drawings from Lesson 2 scavenger sheet and paste them in the correct category on the chart. The big idea of this cut and paste activity is for students to notice that even though we typically say things like a pencil is made from wood, that the more accurate response might be to say that most of a pencil is made from wood. In other words, the activity hopes to help highlight for students that objects might be made from multiple materials as we observe them closely.